Welcome to my channel Credits to AI. Today we are going to discuss about the microscopic world of viruses and bacteria, and how they can impact our lives in big ways. Well, you're about to get a crash course on some of the most dangerous ones recently discovered. Number 1. First on our list is the bacteria Burkholderia pseudomallei, the culprit behind the rare and serious disease known as melioidosis. This bacteria can affect various organs including the skin, lungs, and brain. It was typically found in tropical and subtropical regions. But recent findings have detected its presence in soil and water samples along the US Gulf Coast. The bacteria infects through direct contact with contaminated soil or water, or through inhalation or ingestion. Symptoms range from fever and coughing to severe cases of seizures. Alarmingly, it can prove fatal in 10 to 50% of cases, and there is currently no vaccine or specific treatment available. Number 2. Marburg virus. This virus is a relative of the notorious Ebola virus and causes Marburg hemorrhagic fever, a severe and often fatal disease. It infects through contact with the blood or body fluids of infected animals or humans. The virus made its first appearance in West Africa in August 2021, and the World Health Organization has since declared it a public health emergency of international concern. Number 3. Candida auris, a fungus that poses a serious threat to hospitalized patients with weakened immune systems. It's resistant to many antifungal drugs and can easily spread in healthcare settings. First identified in Japan in 2009, it has since been reported in over 40 countries, including India, where it has caused several outbreaks among COVID-19 patients. Number 4. Nipah virus. This virus causes a severe and often fatal disease that affects the respiratory system and the brain. The Nipah virus is transmitted through contact with infected bats or their secretions, or with infected pigs or humans. The virus first emerged in Malaysia in 1998 and has since caused outbreaks in several countries. The most recent outbreak occurred in Kerala, India in September 2021. Number 5. Carbapenem-resistant Enterobacteriaceae (CRE) are bacteria that belong to the Enterobacteriaceae family, which includes common pathogens such as Escherichia coli and Klebsiella pneumoniae. They are resistant to carbapenems, a class of antibiotics that are usually reserved for treating serious infections caused by multi-drug-resistant bacteria. They can cause infections in various sites of the body, such as the urinary tract, bloodstream, lungs, abdomen, and skin. They can also produce enzymes called carbapenemases that can break down carbapenems and other antibiotics. They can spread through contact with infected people or contaminated surfaces or equipment. They are associated with high mortality rates and limited treatment options. They have been reported in more than 100 countries worldwide, including India, where they have been linked to outbreaks of hospital-acquired infections among COVID-19 patients. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Credits to AI.